G'day everybody, Lewis from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a nav drive from a Lexus. Now, problems you may be having is the nav's chattering or it's saying a program cannot be read. These are all indications that your nav drive needs repairing. Tools you will need today is a 12mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. First part we're going to do is lift this flap up here. Now it's held in with a number of clips, so you'll need to give it a good hard pull to get these clips to remove from where they're in. Once we've done that, that will expose two bolts, one there and one over there. So these guys here, once you remove those, this whole section will come out as one piece. So we're going to put that aside for the time being. Okay, so the nav drive in fact lives under there, so we need to get to that point there. There'll be a clip there and there'll be a clip there. Once you've removed those plastic clips, and that's what you need your spudger for, this whole part will come out and that can just go to the side for the time being. Alrighty, now the nav drive, this part here, is held in by 3 bolts. Well, nuts, 1, 2, 3, 10mm bolts. You'll remove those and then you'll remove the nav drive. Now it's held in with, it's also attached with a number of electrical cables. You press the middle pin and pull it back and that will release it from the nav drive. Now you can remove these brackets if you choose before you send it to Supertech for repairs, or you can send it exactly like that.